Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Hey, welcome to the Crypto World Gaming. Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Zippers. For the first letter, which is letter G, need natin ng dot. Okay. The second word is letter E, need natin ng dot. Okay. The third word is letter N, need natin ng dot. Okay. The fourth word is letter E, need natin ng dot. And then the fifth word, which letter S, need natin ng 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And then the sixth word, which letter I, need natin ng double dot. 1, 2. And then the last word, which letter S, need natin ng 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go.